One of my favorite and pretty advanced Google Ads strategies I like to run is a dynamic search campaign, but only for retargeting audiences. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy this is to implement in your own account. But before I do, I just want to break it down real quick so you can really understand just how powerful this strategy is, because I think you're going to be pretty excited by it. So firstly, if you're not familiar with a dynamic search campaign, essentially they're much like a normal traditional search campaign where your ad is shown on google.com as one of those text ads. But instead of you doing keyword research and choosing and being confused by which keyword to bid on, Google will decide what to show your ad for based on the content on your website. So you give Google either your entire website URL or specific pages on your website, and based on the words on those pages, then Google will decide what to bid on. Now, actually, dynamic search campaigns are incredibly powerful, and I've seen them in multiple ad accounts work incredibly well. But imagine just how powerful it is when you apply this type of campaign to a retargeting audience. So someone who's come to your website before or possibly watched one of your YouTube videos, and then you run a dynamic search campaign. Essentially, Google is telling you what your past visitors are searching for that's relevant to your business. So it's great for keyword discovery and identifying other areas that you should be incorporating in your normal cold search traffic campaigns. Hopefully that explains it. And so let's go dive into my ad account right now, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to implement so you can start running this right away. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Let's go do this. So here we are in our live Google ad account, and as you can see here, I actually already have a dynamic search campaign created, but this is not with a retargeting audience added to it. It's just going to be cold traffic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this dynamic search campaign and then incorporate my audiences into it. Now, if you don't know how to create a dynamic search campaign, I'm going to put a link in the description for the video where I show how you create this type of campaign. So pause this video, go watch that other video, and then you can come back to this video where I show you what to do next. So hopefully you've got your dynamic search campaign. So what I'm going to do is I am going to I'm going to duplicate this. So click copy and then click on these three buttons here and go paste. And that's going to create a duplicate dynamic search campaign that I can then tweak and adjust to incorporate my retargeting audience. So it's just pasting my campaign. So as we can see here we have our duplicated dynamic search campaign. So I'm going to make a number of changes to it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the name so that I know which one it is. So I'm going to call this retargeting, and then I'm going to click save. And then I'm going to go into this campaign and add in my audience. So I'll go into the campaign here, and I want to go to audiences on the left here. And I want to add my audience here to the ad group. So I'm just going to select the ad group. And what I'm going to choose targeting. So this means that I want to narrow the reach of my ad group to be only this audience. If I leave it on the default setting of observation, that is going to be cold traffic and it's going to observe my retargeting traffic. But I don't want to do that. I just want to do that. Target that audience. So I click browse, and these are all the audiences here. Scroll down here to your data segments, and here is where we can choose either the website visitors. So I'll do all users of that, and I'll do YouTube visitors as well. Okay, so hopefully you've got your audiences set up in your Google ad account, and then we click save. And now we have shown our audience here. As you can see, here are both of our audiences, and then we have tweaked our campaign. So if I go back to all campaigns here, we now have two dynamic search campaigns, one targeting cold traffic and one targeting those particular audiences. And I might also look to incorporate more locations. So I can easily go back in here, and I've got USA and Canada. So because it's retargeting, I might want to add in Australia and maybe United Kingdom include. So now this targets 4 countries as well. Alrighty, so that's how easy it is to create my dynamic search campaign for retargeting audiences. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to implement in your own ad account. Let me know in the comments below what you think and maybe your experiences with running this type of campaign. Be sure to check out our website, teachtraffic.com, for more training videos and help from me and our helpful guides. Don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Thanks for watching.